Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to switch your Instagram profile from a professional account to a personal one. It's super easy and can be done in just a few steps, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now tap the three lines in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. From here, scroll down and tap on Creator Tools and Controls. You'll see an option called Switch Account Type. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll be given a couple of options. Select Switch to Personal Account to change your profile back to a personal account. Instagram will ask you to confirm this. Just tap Switch to Personal Account again to finalize the change. And that's it. You've successfully switched from a professional account to a personal account. Remember, with a personal account, you lose access to features like insights, ads, and branded content tools, but your followers and posts remain unchanged. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos like this. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.